I just wanted to show you a quick look inside of the Joyetech Vtc Mini by Joyetech. If for any reason you'd ever have to disassemble it, I'll show you how to do it. There's a screw here and a screw here. Okay, don't lose your screws. You cannot have the atomizer on it to take it apart. It is a spring-loaded 510. It's very stiff. Once you get the two screws loose, just lightly pull on your battery strap. You want to be careful. There's a piece of plastic that's spring-loaded up here at the top. Lightly grab that. It's on the 510 side. Slightly keep a hold of that. Try not to tip it too much, your buttons fall out. And pull it apart. There's your buttons. Your glass screen. This would be useful if, like, for some reason your battery pin gets pushed up and gets stuck. I've seen that happen with, never these, with the Kanger boxes. So you got a spring underneath here. I don't even know if this one could get stuck up there, but if it would ever happen. That's basically all there is to it. There's your button. Your bottom two buttons. Of course, the screen. Here's your little 510. Yeah, it's just sitting down on a piece of plastic. And then it slides into a groove inside of the case here. A little hard to see. There's a groove right there. Right here. See if we can focus on that a little better. Not really. Anyway, there's a groove right here. And then your screws screw into right here and right here. And this is all aluminum construction. And of course this part's plastic. Your 510's sitting in plastic here, but it goes into the metal groove, so it's good and strong. And you can see it's squared. And that square there sits in that groove and holds it together. I don't think you'd ever have a problem inside of one of these anyway. If you'd ever have to take the board off, there's a screw here and a screw here. And then this whole thing will come off of here. Oops. I don't know if I showed that on camera. There's a screw here and a screw here. There's your -10 side. Everything's clean, wired nice. Here we can look at your solder blobs on there. Solder blobs ain't bad. They're not like some of the Chinese stuff you see. Ugly, ugly, ugly solder blobs on stuff. Actually, none of the solder blobs look bad on here at all, really. Everything looks pretty good. Even your negative port there looks alright. There's your negative wire there. There's your soldering up on the top, which looks pretty nice. Can't beat that. Now remember, the little plastic spring-loaded piece. Don't force anything, just slide it in nice and easy. It'll pretty much guide itself in for the most part. Tighten one up a little bit, just lightly snug. and snug down the other one lightly. Go back to the other one, go a little more. Just kind of work it back and forth. It don't have to be super tight. Just holding it in there is all. Back together. Of course it works. And from the last video, different battery. No more bulge in there. Much better. Alright, that's it guys. I just wanted to show you that coming apart quick.